In this video, we are going to use a scatter plot to represent and determine a pattern of values. First, we are going to continue the table. I noticed that in my first term I have 4, my second term I have 6, my third term I have 8. The pattern is increasing by 2 each time. So term 5 will have 12, term 6 will have 14. Now I'm going to plot that on the scatter plot. My term number is my x value. The term value is going to be the y value. These two numbers make the coordinates. So for example, 1 and 4 become right there. 2 and 6 are labeled. 3 and 8 are also labeled. I'm going to plot the next set of coordinates, which is 4 and 10. I go to 4 and go up to 10. Now I'm going to label 5 and 12. Now I'm going to predict what the term value is going to be for the term number of 11. I'm going to take a straight line and extend it so that it runs through the coordinates that have already been plotted on the graph. After I've extended my line, I look at x 11 and I find out where it meets. Then I'm going to go across and notice that it meets at 24. Therefore, when my term number is 11, the term value will be 24. Also, when I have a term value, for example, if I have a term value of 18, and I want to know what the term number is, I go across to 18, notices that the line is there, it's number 8. So when my term number is 8, the term value is 18. This page sums up the steps that I just did previously. Step 1, line up my ruler with the points on the scatter plot. I drew a line up to the top. I went across and looked for term number 11. I went over to the y-axis and found out that 11 matched up with 24. I also did it for the other way. I looked for the term value of 18 on the y-axis. I went straight across and then down and found out that it matched up with the term number of 8. When I continue the recursive pattern in this table, I will have 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. This was correct, and this was correct. When making predictions about a sequence, why is using a scatter plot not as accurate as using a pattern rule from a table of values? The line you draw may not be straight, or the intervals on the graph may be too small to accurately identify the number.